Hey guys, so back at it again. This is the second pairing of the Pygmy Rainforest Tarantulas. We've just introduced the male. He's bolted out of the tubs a couple of times, so we've had to sort of wait until he's ready to go before we got in there for starting to film. So the female's in the burrow, just in down there. Just trying to get her out. Looks like he might even be trying to mate with her in there. These guys do mate relatively quickly, unlike some of the bigger Phlogius stuff where it can go out to about an hour. Some cases, these guys are usually done and dusted within about 3 to 4 minutes, and probably the longest I've seen go for about 5. So once he gets in there, he normally just gets it done and gets out of there. You can see it just in that top part, moving around. See if he gives up or not. Looks like he's had enough. Oh, we don't know if that was successful or not, so we'll definitely try that one again shortly. Oh, thanks guys for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Cheers.